Hey up! Welcome to Hey Up Cards and Crafts. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to make stickers in Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. First, you need to open up a new project. Then you need to select a shape. I'm going to do a circle. So while I'm working on it, I'll just make it bigger. I'll change the colour to white. So I now need to look for an image, and as you can see, I've already put in cute pumpkin. It's brought up all these really cute pumpkins. So select the one you want. I'm just going to flatten this one, so go down to the bottom in the right hand side and select flatten. Put the pumpkin in the middle, click center. That looks a bit low, let's just move it up a bit. Then I'm going to put some text around the outside of the circle. So select text. I'm going to change it from Cricut Sans to BFC Vintage Champagne. And then I'm going to write Happy Halloween, as it will soon be Halloween. So move the text over the circle, and then I'm going to select curve. So I want the writing to go around the outside. So move the slider along. See what that looks like. Select a line and center horizontally. I think it can go up a bit more. It's just a case of moving the slider to where you want it. I'll leave it like that. Okay. So now I'm going to change the colour of the font to orange. And then I want to do an offset. So highlight the text and go to offset. That's a bit big. I'm just going to type in 0.3. Yeah, that's good. And then I'm going to group them both together. Just makes it easier when you're working with it. So now I want to have the same text along the bottom of the circle. So highlight the text, go to plus, and then obviously you don't want it like that, you want it the other way around. So if you go to flip and flip vertical, you can't obviously read it like that. So flip again, flip horizontal, then it will be the right way. So when you've got everything aligned up, you can then select create sticker. So select create sticker, and you've got two options. You've got your die cut, which will cut all the way through your sticker paper, or you've got your kiss cut, and this just cuts through the first layer and it'll leave the backing all intact. So select kiss cut and apply. Now you just need to go to the size what you want. I'll do 2 inches. And I'm going to do a sheet of these. I'm not sure how many you get on a sheet, but we shall just keep selecting the plus. And then go to make. Obviously, if you want to save your project, you can do. So we'll just put stickers, save. Just while it's waiting to do that. Okay. So there's my stickers. As you can see, there's space along the bottom. So I'm going to select them and move. Click on the first sheet, confirm. Obviously I'm not going to get them all on, so let's get rid of that one. So there's my sheet of all the stickers, and then select continue. Send to printer. I always do use system dialog. Open in preview. So the sticker paper that I always use is this glossy white paper from Evergreen Goods. It's high quality self-adhesive sticky paper. It's got a nice gloss to it, and yeah, it's white. So here's the stickers printing out. You can see the really nice colour, and yeah, I use a Canon Pixma. It's a G550. I've had it absolutely years, and it's one of the best printers I've ever had, really. So that's the stickers printed out, and I just need to select done in Design Space. Now I always use printable vinyl speciality. So I found that some of the others, they go all the way through to the back, and so yeah, so I'm going to select printable vinyl speciality. It's just a case of hit and miss, I think. And I'll change the pressure to less. First of all, it'll scan the project and look for the registration marks, and then it'll see where the stickers are. Once it's done that, it'll then go and check I've got the right blade in, and then it'll start cutting. So I'll speed this bit up while it's cutting. So that's the stickers cut out. You need to remove the stickers from your green mat. So you can bend over your green mat, obviously not too much, or else it'll break, but and peel your stickers away. So yeah, it's wet. As you can see, the stickers will come off individually, so that's good. So that's how you make stickers in Cricut Design Space. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafty fun. Thank you for watching. Ta-ra!